and welcome to this tutorial on addition. Let's look at an example of column addition with an added feature called carrying. Calculate 338 add 462. Once again, we write the numbers under one another, ensuring that the hundreds, tens and units are aligned. Starting from the right-hand side, we will begin adding. 8 units add 2 units gives us 10 units. As 10 is a 2-digit number, the 0 units are written below and the 110 is carried on to the next column. 3 tens add 6 tens makes 9 tens. Remembering to add the carried 1 makes 10. Once again, as 10 is a 2-digit number, the 0 is written below and the 1 is carried on to the next column. And finally, 3 adds 4 makes 7. Adding the carried 1 makes 8. Therefore, 338 adds 462 makes 800. Simple, right? To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.